Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix audio delay in VLC Media Player. So let's begin. First, go ahead, access VLC. You can type over here, VLC Media Player. Next, you would like to go to the upper left top menu, click on Tools, Track Synchronization. Now go to audio slash video. This is what we need. So this is where you can manually type in the seconds that you feel the audio track is delayed from the video. So, for example, it's behind. So you can just type in any number, and that will be a bit. It will now be much more faster. So this might take some time and effort because you're putting this manually and figuring out um, if the audio has already catched up with the video. So this is actually the best option we currently have with fixing the audio delay in VLC Media Player. So I hope you found this video very helpful.